Kelly Barlow Creations. If you're new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. So what do I have going on for you for today? Today I am bringing to you a Dollar Tree haul, but it's a bit of a different one. It is a Dollar Tree haul of items that I specifically go to the Dollar Tree for and I only get at the Dollar Tree. These are items that I repeatedly buy and that I keep in stock in my home. And so I wanted to share with you some of the great buys that I think the Dollar Tree has that I continue to buy there, that I won't buy at the grocery store or that I won't buy at Walmart. So let's jump into it and let me show you some of the items that I get all the time only at the Dollar Tree. One of the first items that I always pick up from the Dollar Tree is this grill and oven cleaner by Awesome. Awesome's got some really great cleaners that work really good. I can hardly believe half the time that they're $1. This grill and oven cleaner is by far one of my favorites. When I have fried something on my stove and the grease is splattered everywhere, I tell you this cleans it right up and doesn't leave a cloudy film on my granite or on my stainless steel around my stovetop. And so this hands down is one of my favorites. I do use it in my oven as well. And just a little tip, I spray this on my rims of my car and it takes that brake dust off so quickly and so easily. It works better than any of the car cleaners that the Dollar Tree has for my rims. And so this is an amazing cleaner. Another cleaner that I always get is this rust, lime, and calcium buildup cleaner by Awesome. It works just as well as Lime Away. I get that lime and calcium buildup in my stainless steel, in my showers, and in my sinks, and in my toilets. And this works amazingly to remove it. I did do a review on this, I'd say about a year and a half ago. I'll link that video in the description box below, showing how well this works. It works amazing. I've been a user of it for about a year and a half now, and I tell you, I no longer get CLR or Lime Away. I use this rust, lime, and calcium remover by Awesome. It is worth the $1 and then some. Another product that I always get from the Dollar Tree are these steel wool soap pads. They are comparable to the SOS pads. If you use SOS pads, you know that as soon as you wet them, you really can't keep them and save them because they rust and they kind of deteriorate. And so to spend $3 or $4 on a box of SOS pads when you can get the same pads at the Dollar Tree with the same amount, it comes in a 10-pack. So this is definitely another money saver and they work just as well as the SOS pads. Another fantastic item that the Dollar Tree carries are these Clean Life multi-purpose cleaning cloths. These are a lint-free cloth. It comes in a 2-pack, and I tell you, these are amazing. Until I used these, I used to use the microfiber towels. Once I saw these, I tried these from the Dollar Tree, fell in love with them. I use them for dusting. I use them on my granite countertops. I use them on my stainless steel, and you can also use them on your mirrors. These are amazing. You can wash them and reuse them, and a 2-pack for $1. These are amazing, and they are definitely lint-free. They leave my stainless steel streak-free and my windows and mirrors streak-free as well. I also always get this 20-pack wet sweeper cloth refills. These work for the Swiffer, not the wet jet, just the regular green Swiffer where you put the wet cloth or the dry cloth on it and you do a quick mop or you do a quick cleanup. This is a 20-pack, it's lemon scent. These work perfectly in the Swiffer and I love it because there are times when I might get a spill or I see a spot in the kitchen or anywhere in the house for that matter, on the tile or on the wood floors, and I don't feel like pulling out the mop. I use these They work perfectly, and they are no different than the Swiffer wet refills that you get at Walmart. And at the Dollar Tree, you're getting 20 for $1. Amazing, amazing buy and a definite money saver. In the health and beauty aid section, Kayla and I have been using these sensitive skin cleansing wipes. These are a makeup remover. These are absolutely awesome. We have been using these for about 2 to 3 years now. Kayla and I prefer the sensitive wipes versus the regular to normal skin wipes because the wipes, the texture is different. The texture of the sensitive wipes is really soft and smooth to where the normal wipes are a bit rough and abrasive, and so for that we didn't much like them. These remove makeup amazingly. They are great for your nighttime makeup removal routine, and I've never had any breakouts because of this product. We've bought Neutrogena makeup removal wipes, and as they work great, these work just as well. And this is definitely something that we keep in stock. Probably every time we go to the Dollar Tree, we pick up at least 2 of these, one for Kayla and one for myself. They work amazing. Another item that I only get from the Dollar Tree are these Sunbeam Lithium Batteries. These are the CR2032. It comes in a 3-pack. These are typically used for garage door openers and for your keyless entries in the keys to your car. For those of you who have a newer car where you don't have a key, this is the battery that you use. I keep a 3-pack of this in my car for when my keyless entry battery dies and my car tells me that my battery is low. I use these for the LED candles at the Dollar Tree. We use these for our garage door openers. These are a great buy, 3 for $1. I haven't seen a difference in how long these last versus the ones at Walmart. When you're paying 3 for $1, it's amazing, and I think in my car, I change it about once a year. Another definite money saver. Would never buy these anywhere other than the Dollar Tree. And they even carry the watch batteries as well. They've got a pretty good selection, even for the hearing aid batteries. So these are definitely batteries that I would stick to getting at the Dollar Tree. Love, love, love these electronic wipes for your computer screens, for your iPads, for your phone, for your Apple Watch. These are amazing. They don't leave streaks. I am surprised at how well these work. It comes in a 25-pack, and I'll use one and do all of my computer screens, all of the iPad screens and phone screens with just one wipe. Another fantastic buy. Another great buy at the Dollar Tree are these white reusable wipes. They are heavy duty. These are by Scrub Buddies as well. It comes in a 6-pack. These are a great quality wipe. I would say that these are definitely more heavy duty than the blue and white ones that you can get by Brillo or Mr. Clean. I really like these a lot. They're really great for wiping down your counters. They're really great for when you clean your bathrooms and you want to get all that excess water off of your counters. Instead of using paper towels, I use these. They are reusable. You can wash them out with soap and water and lay them out to dry, and they really do last quite a while. I would say I go through a 6-pack of these maybe every 3 months. Another item that I always get from the Dollar Tree is this kids detangler. And we don't just use it for Allie. Kayla and I use it as well. It is amazing. I usually dilute it and I'll pour a whole bottle into one of Dollar Tree's clear plastic water bottles. And one of these bottles will fill up a water bottle halfway, and then I'll fill it the rest with regular water and give it a good shake. I tell you, it smells amazing. It works great. Typically, Allie takes a shower at night, so when she wakes up in the morning, she's got a bit of a bedhead, so we have to spray her hair down anyway. This is perfect for that. You spray it down and it takes the tangles right out. It doesn't hurt her when I'm combing out her hair. It's amazing, it's worth the buy, and I definitely would not spend the extra money anywhere else when you can get this at the Dollar Tree. And there you have it. These are the items that I only buy at the Dollar Tree that I won't get anywhere else. If there are items that you only get at the Dollar Tree that I didn't show today, I'm kind of curious what they are, so leave me a comment in the comments below and let me know what items you only pick up at the Dollar Tree, because there really is no sense in buying them at Walmart or the grocery store because you're gonna pay so much more from. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up. And like I always say, let's get this video to 3,000 likes now, because those thumbs up really do help my channel to grow and it helps YouTube to notice me just a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.